More than a year since a gunman opened fire inside of the Towne East Mall, today a Sedgwick County judge hears arguments over whether the suspect in that shooting should be tried as an adult.
It's the second time the Sedgwick County District Attorney's Office has sought an adult trial for 17-year-old Tobias Robinson after the case was refiled in juvenile court last month due to a records issue. Sean Logging joins us outside the Sedgwick County Courthouse following all of this.
Like Rachel, if this case is tried in adult court, one of the main effects would be on sentencing if there's a conviction. In juvenile, he'd be sentenced until he's 22 and a half years old before release. And in adult court, the sentencing for this case would be life in prison with the possibility of parole. 17-year-old Tobias Robinson is facing a charge of first-degree murder and criminal use of a weapon. Prosecutors say in March of 2022, after a fight at the mall, he fired multiple shots. 14-year-old Trenjavius Hutton died after being shot 4 times. Much of Friday was spent hearing from one of the detectives who worked the case. That included looking at multiple social media videos of the incident, police body camera video of police stopping and arresting Robinson after the shooting, and a portion of the police interview. That is where Robinson said that he was at the mall with some friends and people rushed them, leading to a fight. The detective says initially Robinson said no weapons were involved, but later said that he was hit in the head by Hutton with a gun, and that's when he pulled out his gun and fired. The detective recounted part of that interview.
And he fired 3 rounds at an individual he knew as Mac N, which we will later learn to be Trenjavius Hutton. And then as he left the mall, he dropped his 30-round magazine in front of round 1, and he picked it up and then left the mall with Cedric.
Part of the defense's questioning of the detective included focusing on those social media videos showing the fight and shooting, which they say shows and backs up what their client told police.
It appears to be exactly what he told you happened, that he was involved in a fight, that Mr. Hutton hit him in the back of the head with a firearm, and then he shot him, correct?
Correct. That can be viewed from this, yes.
In addition to the gun police took off Robinson, 2 others were found in the mall. Now this motion for adult prosecution hearing will continue on August 9th.